Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing place value chapter. So today's topic is rounding off numbers. This concept you have done in grade 3 also. Okay, but there you did only rounding to the nearest tens. But in grade 4 we will do rounding to the nearest 100 and 1000 also. But today we will discuss only rounding to the nearest tens. Okay, so let's take the example. Round off 63 to the nearest 10. Rounding off any number to the nearest 10 means, like now it is 63, so its answer should be in tens, means there should be 1 0 after the digit. Okay, so let's start. So first we will see that 63 lies between which two tens. 63 lies between 60 and 70. Okay, so we will draw a number line. This is called number line. So we will mark here all the numbers from 60 to 70. So 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. So please keep it in your mind that distance between each two numbers should be same. Okay, now which number is there in statement? 63. So we will be on 63. Now we will see 63 is closer to which number? 70 or 60? So from here you can easily see that 63 is closer to 60. So it means 63 is rounded off to the 60. Rounded off to the nearest tens is 60. Okay. So without number line also you can see that last digit 3 is less than 5. So it will be rounded off to 60. If this number is equal to, this digit is equal to or more than 5, then it is rounded off to next tens, that is 70. Okay, but I will prefer if you use a number line. So let's take one more example. It is in hundreds. Round off 446 nearest to tens. Okay, now you will see last two digits. Okay, forget about hundreds please. So last two digits. So 46 lies between 40 to 50. Okay, 46 lies between 40 to 50. So we will mark here the numbers. So all numbers will be from 440 to 450. Okay, so mark all the numbers. Now you will be on number 446, which is our statement. 446. Now you can see it is more closer to 450. So it will round it off to 450. So answer is 450. So similarly you can do it in thousands also. Okay, there also you will focus on last two digits. Okay, so last two digits, then you will mark all the numbers and then you will see that your given number is closer to which tens, this one or to this one. I hope it is all clear to you. Thank you students. Have a nice day.